Alrighty, this is called Sunnyside sunglasses invoice data. So we have an invoice for Sunnyside sunglasses, and we've got some amount owings and due dates, and we've got paid, and we've got balance and the date. So first things first, you can choose to say yes or no for the dates, for the paid, and we'll just put in a few random choices there, and that's what it asks us to do. Number one. Notice how we've got some down arrows. That's can show you how to do that another time. That's not what's important for this lesson. Number two, add a formula in F10 that totals the balance. Well, we need to get the balance, don't we? So that probably should be number three. But anyway, in number two, how do we get the balance? Well, we double click on the cell, and we type in equals, and we type in sum, open bracket, and we want to select those cells there because that is going to total up the balances. Close bracket and enter. At the moment you can see there is no total. That's fine. Right, in F2, it should be F4. I'm going to change that right here in the video. In F4, type the formula if E2, and that should say if E4. Goodness me, changing my work on the go. If E4 equals yes, then 0, otherwise C4. Now, what does that mean? What it means is if is going to be the function that we're looking at, and we're looking at E4. Now, is E4 yes? See how there it says E4 equals yes. If that is true, then there is no balance owed, so the balance would be 0. But if the answer is no, if it's anything other than yes, which in this case would be no, then the balance would be whatever is in C4, which is the 32.95. Okay, so we go if E4 equals, we need quotation marks, yes, quotation marks, and then we divide this section to the next section with a comma. Yes, then if it is yes, then we're going to go 0, and if it's anything other than yes, it's going to be C4, which is the amount owing. Close brackets, enter. Then we grab our little tail here, our little copy doovy thing, and we drag it down to there and see what happens. Notice that some are owing because they say no, and if we change that to yes, then that changes and the total changes. Let's just test that out some more. Excellent. Oops. What can we put? Yes, right. So everyone's paid, balance is 0, nothing's owing from anyone. Fantastic. But if this person hadn't paid, then we've got a problem. Now, what would happen if we put in no data at all? Well, it's going to revert to a yes. So we have to put in yes or no. We have no choice. Okay, so that's that. That's how it goes. Good luck doing this task. Catch you in the next video.